Okay, I got it plugged into this Pile phono preamp, into the Sony stereo speaker. It's stereo, it's just one unit, so there's a right and a left channel. And there, I borrowed the platter off my TD-165, which is the same size. And we will do a needle drop here and see if we can get some sound out of both channels. And you can see the new RCA jacks that I put on it. And it's looking good. And we are getting left channel and right channel, which is all good. How good does that sound? I would think about getting a new cartridge down the line, but still sounding good. That's a pretty basic elliptical or conical cartridge, I believe, so you can get a lot better sound with a newer cartridge, like a Audio-Technica VN95M or something. But anyway, it'll get you by. So thanks for watching.